Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Facebook blocks name changes within 60 days, so this method targets allowed exceptions. Once you verify your profile shows a recent change, gather your photo ID and any legal documents that match the desired name. Make sure the new name follows Facebook's name policy, otherwise the request will be denied. Begin on desktop for clearer settings because mobile sometimes hides advanced options. Open Settings, then Name, and be ready to proceed immediately. You now start the appeal process. If the name field blocks you, navigate to Facebook Help Center and find the name change form. Select the option for special circumstances. Explain clearly why the 60-day rule should be waived, clerical error, legal name change, or security reasons, and attach your ID scans. Once done, include dates and contact info and make sure your uploads are legible. Low-quality images delay review. Submit the form and note the confirmation number for follow-up. You finish by monitoring Facebook's response. Expect 24 to 72 hours for initial review. If approved, confirm the new name appears correctly and sign out then back in to refresh caches. If denied, read the reason carefully, obtain stronger evidence, such as a notarized name change document, and resubmit promptly. Make sure to remain concise and polite in messages. Aggressive language slows resolution. Finally, if repeated denials occur, consider contacting support via a trusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.